Yeah, no, it's crazy. Oh, yes, seriously. Oh my
Jason,
God.
come on, I'm trying to read. Could you be any more inconsiderate?
Okay, fine. No. It's, one of the other guys on the station's being a total dick. Yeah. Yeah, no. Oh my... Oh! Sanders, you bastard!
Oh. Sanders! All right. What's this pocket watch doing here? Hello? Oh, where have you been? I've been looking for you forever. It's like, 1 minute you're here, and then, poof! You're gone! Where have you been? Well, who are you?
Let's see. I'm wearing a suit, a vest, a rain jacket, and chucks for no reason. I'm the doctor!
Doctor who?
Precisely. Now can I please have my screwdriver?
Screwdriver? You mean this thing?
Yes, this. God, I haven't seen this thing in months. How are you doing? Good. You're locked in here, right?
Yes.
So the only ways out is breaking the door or getting out through the ceiling. And both of which are bad options. So... You want to join me? Because I'm companionless. My previous one kind of forgot me and... Want to come with?
Your companion? Of the doctor? Sure!
Sure, come on.
Is that your TARDIS?
Yes, do you have a problem?
No.
Okay. Let's cut that, boys.
Recording.
Stop.
Action.
Hello? Stop.
Yeah. I'm just a guy dressed up in a suit and a raincoat. And Converse? I'm the doctor!